What do you think the average age of the first-time home buyer is in America these days? I want you to put your guess in the comments below. Do you think it's 25, 30, 35? I'm giving you a few minutes here, or a few seconds, to put your answer in the comments below because I'm curious to see what your guess is. So while you're doing that, I'll give you a quick background on myself. If you haven't met me, I'm Holly McKhann, a local realtor in South Orange County, and I've fixed and flipped over 250 homes with my husband, Scott McKhann, over the last 15 years. We have 9 projects going right now, including one right next door to where I live here. So very experienced in home renovations, and we bring that expertise to work for our clients who want that. Whether they're buying or selling a home, we help them renovate part or all of their home and help them create instant equity and create wealth through real estate by doing that. So back to, what do you think the average age of the first-time home buyer is in America? The answer is, dun, 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 38. I'm kind of surprised myself how high that is, but it speaks to how expensive housing has become. So it's gone up nearly 10 years than what it used to be in the 80s. So now that's a long time ago. So it took a while to grow to nearly a decade older, but it's very telling of the current affordability or lack thereof of home buying for today's young home buyers. The National Association of Realtors, or NAR as it's called, just put out its 2024 report providing a snapshot into the demographics of today's home buyers. So also the average age of a buyer, not first time, but just all home buyers, is 56, which is how old I am right now. So that's also getting up there in numbers as well. So the higher interest rates and higher housing cost has sidelined many younger buyers. It highlights the fact that it's people who have accumulated wealth who are more able to purchase a home. Even my younger first-time buyers will often have gifts from family, $50,000, $100,000, or even more. So maybe the parents have made a lot of money, retired, maybe somebody passes away, and that big chunk of money becomes a down payment for those first-time buyers. At least that's what I see in Southern California, where our housing is really expensive. Another interesting fact from the NAR report is the amount of homes purchased by single women, which I love this. 20% of all homes purchases were made by single women, compared to 8% by single men. I think women have a strong desire to have a home, put their roots down, just feel that sense of confidence and community. So they probably have, well, clearly they're demonstrating they have more desire to be homeowners than single men, with 20% of buyers being single women, 8% single men. So yay, ladies. I'm very proud of single women that have the financial ability and have worked really hard and can buy a home on their own. As affordability has declined, the first-time home buyer percent used to be 40% in the pre-Great Recession years, and now we're down at 24%. It's also interesting to note that nearly 3/4 of all buyers have no children under the age of 18 in their home. So people with kids are having to divert their funds to raise their kids more than they can to purchase a home. And the NAR report concludes by saying that we may be at a turning point. Certainly as interest rates may decline, we never know for sure, but we are expecting and hoping for interest rates to go down, that may improve affordability for people and let there be more younger buyers for first time and repeat buyers. Those move-up buyers that want to get out of a condo into a single family home might have more opportunity too as interest rates go down. I haven't really seen any experts think that our prices will go down, but at least with interest rates going down, that could improve affordability. So thanks so much for watching this video. For more great real estate information, tips, and even tips on renovation and all things related to home values and improving and taking care of your home, make sure you subscribe, because I really love making these videos for you, and give me all your comments below. Thanks for watching.